Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can block your camera or webcam from being accessed by websites you visit on Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Here in the Opera browser, guys, click into this button in the top left, navigate to Settings or use the shortcut Alt-P. Inside your browser settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, select Site Settings, and here in your Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions and click into Camera. Here, make sure that you select the given camera that is connected with your device and set a behavior for that camera whenever you, for example, visit a website for the first time here on Opera and the given website keeps asking you for permission. You may set a behavior here. And for example, don't allow these sites to use your camera. If you keep it on sites can ask you to use your camera, it will play out the way I just explained. These websites will send you that notification, usually in the top left corner, whether you'd like to allow or not allow using that website to use your camera. So that's up to you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.